Hey there, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how to draw a Mother's Day special drawing. So, let's begin. But at the beginning I want to say that if you are a new viewer of my channel, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.
Taking me home. One thing really do one. You see that you're the worst, but I don't know. Is that true? People fear the silence with things they think they know. Baby, that's why I just be free and let it all go. Let's go. I don't care what you say, it's true. Don't matter to me, 'cause I want you.
Wow, it's looking amazing. Thank you so much for watching.